it's time to complete the final repair on the bulldozer's C-frame. I machined 2 nylon liners that fit nice and snug in the worn holes. They're going to hold the boring bar in the correct position while I mount the bearings and bracket to bore. Just like the rest of the holes I've been repairing on the bulldozer, they are not supposed to be wearing parts. The pin is just housed in these holes and does not move or rotate. That's why it is not designed with any replaceable bushings. Next, I'm going to weld a plate onto the bracket for the magnetic drill to mount onto. I do this by first magnetizing the plate onto the drill, then welding it on the bracket. I do it like this to ensure that the base plate is square with the boring bar. I then removed the liners from the worn holes and was ready to bore. I'm not boring all the way through the hole, I'm going to leave a shoulder. I went down with the magnetic drill until my cutting tool was on the top surface of the hole. I took a measurement of the magnetic drill in that position. It measured 136 millimeters. I needed to bore 40 millimeters down, so I need a reading of 96 millimeters. I took the first cut, then went in with the tool until it was against the shoulder. I could now check the depth on the magnetic drill. I got 95.86. I needed 96, but that was close enough for me. The next challenge was to bore the hole to a press fit size for a 45 millimeter hardened sleeve. I bored to 44.91 millimeters. I was happy with that, so repeated the process with the bottom hole. Once the bottom hole was complete, I cut everything loose and cleaned up with the grinder. I quickly double-checked my sizes before fitting the hardened sleeves. The sleeve's outside diameter measures exactly 45 millimeters. The hole I bored was exactly 44.92 millimeters. That's going to be a nice tight fit, so I heat shrunk them in. Before dropping the sleeves in, I make sure the hole has expanded bigger than the outside diameter of the sleeve. The sleeves come from a supplier. Their inside diameter measures the exact same as the pin. But because of the tight fit, the inside diameter shrinks. After a quick polish with some sandpaper, I got a nice, snug fit. As mentioned before, the pin does not move or rotate in these holes. So I'm going to leave it with this tap-in fit to reduce chances of future wear. And that's all the repairs on the bulldozer C-frame complete. If you missed any of my previous repairs, check out my page. And stay on the lookout, I've got some more repairs coming. Thanks for watching, guys.
अरबों की विरासत से अनजान एक